everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet. This is Taz. Today I'm going to bring you a look at a Jon Renau style. It's called Fiery. It's in the color Shaded Mocha, which is 24BT18S8. This style was provided by Andrea at Wig Studio One for this review. You can find this style, all the other Jon Renau styles, and much more by visiting wigstudio1.com. Also, wigstudio1.com does sponsor a private Facebook group by searching Wig Studio One Wigs and Topper Help. So I thought I might start this review with an unboxing of Fiery. So I have not looked at it yet. Let's go ahead and take a look. So this is your typical Jon Renau packaging and box. Any of their heat-friendly styles do display the heat-friendly tab up top, and also this is an indication that it's going to have a smart lace front. Let's take a look. So right away, the first thing that you're going to see is the tissue paper, and this tissue paper is pretty sturdy. I find that it doesn't wrinkle as much as some of the other brands do, which doesn't really make a difference. I just like a nice clean look sometimes when I repackage it for storage. So let's take a look. Oh, here's a little pamphlet, a wig care and styling guide that Jon Renau puts into their boxes. Okay, so inside, now this is that heat defiant style as I talked about. So what you're going to see here, actually I've never seen a wig packaged like that, but that's really cool. So you're going to see the wig has some crumpled up tissue paper just to kind of help it keep its shape. And then in the center here, you're going to see a Jon Renau wide tooth comb. And I love that they do this because the properly caring for your heat defiant wig is going to require a little bit of extra maintenance, and they want to be sure you're using the right tools. So that wide tooth comb is very important, that you always only use a wide tooth comb on a heat friendly style, as they're just a little bit more delicate and prone to snags and tension and that kind of thing. And then all of that is covered up by a net. I'm going to remove the netting first, and I always save my nets because when I repackage the wig to store it, you always want to have a net to put around it. And the other thing is that when I go to repackage my wigs, I try to duplicate the manner in which they came to me, because I know that's probably the safest way to arrange and store them inside of the packaging. So here is the wide tooth comb, and then the tissue paper forms in the middle. Okay. Wow, here's the wig. Look how beautiful that is. Soft and silky. I've always said that I felt that the heat-defiant fiber, the way it's processed and finished off, feels like human hair. And now that I have had a human hair wig, I can honestly say that's really very true. So look how luxurious it is, just a little bit of shedding. Now a word on shedding. Sometimes you can see shedding. Trust me, there's a ton of hair on these wigs, and a little bit of shedding isn't going to hurt anything. That's a normal occurrence to see just a little bit of shedding, especially on a brand new wig. So that's been an unboxing. Let's go ahead and put her on. Wow. Oh, it is really very gorgeous and so luxurious feeling. Wowee, this is really beautiful. But typically what I would do prior to review is inspect the wig, make sure there's no defects, make note of any interesting features, and just sort of roll that through my mind. I'll be right back while I make some adjustments to the cap, get a sense of this style, and we'll do a full review.